As a musician, finding the perfect classical guitar can be an overwhelming task. With so many options available, it's easy to get lost in the sea of choices. However, by understanding the 5 must-have features every musician should look for, you can demystify the process and make an informed decision. Superior sound quality. When it comes to classical guitars, sound quality is paramount. A high-quality instrument will produce a rich and balanced tone that resonates beautifully. Look for guitars made from solid wood, as they tend to offer better sound projection and tonal complexity compared to laminated ones. Solid wood construction. The construction of a classical guitar greatly influences its sound quality and playability. Opting for a guitar with solid wood top, back, and sides ensures optimal resonance and responsiveness. Common woods used in classical guitars include cedar for warm tones or spruce for brighter tones. Comfortable neck profile. A comfortable neck profile is essential for effortless playing over extended periods of time. Classical guitars generally have wider necks compared to their steel string counterparts, allowing more room between strings for fingerstyle playing techniques common in classical music genres like flamenco or bossa nova. High-quality tuning machines. Tuning stability is crucial when performing or practicing on your classical guitar. Hence, investing in high-quality tuning machines is vital. Look for tuners that are smooth operating and hold tune well even after prolonged use or changes in temperature, humidity conditions. Impeccable craftsmanship. A well-crafted instrument not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also affects its overall performance and durability. Look out for details such as clean joinery between body parts, top, back, sides, neat binding around edges, precise fretwork without any sharp edges or buzzing sounds when playing, and a flawless finish that protects the wood while allowing it to breathe. Conclusion. In conclusion, finding the perfect classical guitar doesn't have to be an intimidating process. By focusing on these 5 must-have features: superior sound quality, solid wood construction, comfortable neck profile, high-quality tuning machines, and impeccable craftsmanship, you can confidently choose an instrument that suits your musical preferences and enhances your playing experience. Remember to try out different guitars before making a decision and trust your instincts when it comes to finding the one that speaks to you emotionally. With these guidelines in mind, embark on your journey towards discovering the classical guitar of your dreams.